Are you tired of getting those annoying file size too large errors whenever you try to send or upload a video? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly compress and reduce your video file sizes in 2026 using a completely free online tool called FreeConvert. You don't need to download or install any sketchy software. Everything happens right inside your web browser. To get started, just head over to freeconvert.com. Right at the top, you'll see their navigation menu where you can access their compression tools. The best part about FreeConvert is how flexible it is. You can upload files directly from your device or import them straight from Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or even via a web URL. On the free tier, you can upload files up to 1 GB in size, which is incredibly generous for a free online tool. Once you upload your video, you can use their advanced options to fine-tune your settings, choose your target format like MP4, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Because it's fully online, it works perfectly whether you're on Windows, Mac, Linux, or even your mobile phone. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Since we don't have a massive database of external user reviews to pull from today, we have to look closely at what the platform offers. On the positive side, it is incredibly convenient, supports over 1,500 file conversions, and takes security seriously with 256-bit SSL encryption. Plus, they automatically delete your files after a few hours to protect your privacy. On the downside, if you are working with massive files over 1 GB, or if you want to avoid waiting in queues and seeing ads, you will have to upgrade to one of their paid plans. Overall, if you need a quick, safe, and hassle-free way to shrink a video file today, FreeConvert is an excellent tool to keep in your bookmarks. Go ahead and try it out at freeconvert.com. If this tutorial helped you save some disk space, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and leave a comment below letting me know how much space you saved.